Number 2 wants us to solve the system of equations, but this time they want us to use the elimination method. So the elimination method, sometimes it's called the addition method. We actually want to add up the equations vertically. If we were to do that now, it wouldn't help because 3x plus negative 6x, the x's are not going to eliminate. Negative 2y plus 5y, the y's aren't going to eliminate. And that's really our goal, is to eliminate one of our variables. So if you look at the x's, I have a 3x and a negative 6x. It would be great if that 3x were a positive 6x, because then that would cancel with the negative 6x. So I can actually do that if I multiply the top equation by 2. So my new top equation is going to be 6x minus 4y is equal to negative 26. And the bottom equation I'm not changing. And then I want to add these up vertically. So the x's actually go away. That's what we wanted. Negative 4y plus 5y is 1y, or just y. Negative 26 plus 28 is 2. So I have my y value. My next step is to get the x value, and I want to plug that into either one of my original equations. So it does not matter which one. I'm going to plug it into the top one. So that's going to be 3x minus 2 times 2 is equal to negative 13. So that's 3x minus 4 is equal to negative 13. If I add 4 to both sides, 3x is equal to negative 9, and x is equal to negative 3. So my final answer is the point negative 3, 2. This is the intersection point of these two lines.